Well, good morning out there, all you viewers to be named later. No. This is not Groundhog Day, okay? Whew, yeah, as you know by that thumbnail, we are going to revisit Peak Refuel's, well, biscuits and sausage gravy. Here's why. The last time I brought it to the channel, I really think I screwed it up. I really think I didn't read the directions properly. I really think I didn't give it a good enough chance. And I'll be honest with you, it's been bugging me. It really truly has, because the other ones that I've tried from Peak after, I've kind of liked. So why not revisit this one, right? Now, let's get all the adulting out of the way. They are based out of, like, right here, American Fork, Utah. I like the fact that on the bottom, there's all their socials. They say that there are 2 servings per pack with 34 grams of protein per pouch. Now, I'll be honest with you. 2 servings per pack? No. This is one happy fat boy pouch. All right? Seriously. To get the other adulting out of the way really easily, I am filming this video on Wednesday, November 9th, 2022. And yes, you can hear somebody's tablet in the background. She's having a little bit of fun, so please shut that noise up. Can we turn that down a little, please? Okay, so like I said, Wednesday, November 9th, 2022. It is currently $13.99 on Amazon. It is Prime eligible. All right, now for those guys who like to see the nutritional facts, take a pause right there. There's the ingredient list. Take a pause right there. And these things usually have a heck of a shelf life. We're talking September 2027. So you got a good five-year shelf life, all right? Really, really easy to make up. You just basically boil up water. You add 1 1/3 cups, dump it in, stir it around, zip it up, let it sit for 10 minutes. Now, I'm going to say it like this. Last time, I did not break up the biscuits before I put the boiling water in. Make sure you're feeling the pouch, all right? You can probably do it after you open, pull them out, whatnot. Break those big biscuits up. Because I think that's what caused a lot of problem last time, was the water saturation, for lack of a better phrase. It wasn't getting in there accurately. Now, I know I've done a bunch of these on the channel, and I'd be surprised if none of you have seen the inside of one of these bags before. Always, always, always take the silica pack out, throw it away. Don't believe any Reddit forums, period. Just don't. It's not extra spices. It's not extra goodness. Don't ingest this. Now, sorry, no Rona, just cold. If you make a mistake and you can't find it and you put the boiling water in, it's not going to poison your food. Remove it after. Do not eat the contents, okay? Now, there's the inside. You're seeing big old pieces of biscuit in here. Trust me. When this thing arrived, I felt the bag, and it was a lot more massive in size. So I've been kind of gently breaking them down into smaller bits. You can see the little sausage crumbles back in there. And, the powdery stuff is, well, mixed between the gravy and everything else. I'm just feeling around, seeing if there's any more big biscuit pieces in here. Okay. So, what we're going to do is we're going to go boil the water up. We're going to get this thing ready. And we're going to come back with our usual, bowl and MRE spoon. And we're going to have some fun. I know you guys don't want to see the boiling water, but got a video plan for that. But still, we'll be right back when it's all ready to go. I swear there's never ever a good way to do that, right? But still, I'm back. Everything's all ready to go. Did you miss me? Don't answer that. I already know. Okay, well, I don't know. Can you see the steam rising up? It's seriously fresh out of the bag. First thing I noticed when I opened the bag out in the kitchen, the biscuits look different than last time. Seriously, they really did. But still, as we've done with everything else, there you go, without tipping it too far forward. That's what it looks like this time, dumped in our famous plastic bowl with a Marty spoon. Okay, so are we going to have different results? Now, honestly, the gravy looks a little thicker than last time. It doesn't look as runny as it did to me. It has that great smell. Like when you open that bag, you're instantly greeted with that, oh, biscuits and gravy. Oh, best Homer Simpson. Oh. Okay, like we always do, we do 3 bites. All right. Last time when I bit into some of the biscuits, it was okay. Then it was like sawdust in the middle because it didn't reconstitute. And I remember the sausage crumbles being really chewy. I don't know. Let's get into this, okay? Honestly, first thing I really truly want to try, there's a big hunk of the biscuit right there. I really want to see if breaking them down, like they suggested, hopefully had some difference. So let's find out. For those of you familiar with my channel, we had a little but okay. So that bite, it was like chewy and burnt all at the same time. You know when you get that biscuit and it's kind of like been in the oven a little bit too long and it's a little hard on the outside? That's how it felt. It wasn't not done. And that's the only way I can phrase it. It was a finished biscuit, unlike last time where it was like chewy, sawdust. Okay, so let's try to grab a bunch of the sausage crumbles and see if they were chewy like last time. Now, I'm going to feel like a really big entire idiot if the whole cause last time of me not liking this was because I didn't break the biscuits down. That's why I really wanted to reshoot this video and try it again because, like I said earlier, that review hasn't been sitting well with me. I really don't like screwing them up, and I felt like I screwed that one up big time, so. All right. They're not chewy like last time. It's reminding me of grilled sausage patties. You know how like you have the flame broiled mark, or flame broiled, whatever. You know those flame marks in your sausage patties are a little bit more crispier? That's what all of that just reminded me of. We may have to go 4. I'm trying more sausage right here. Because this is an entirely different experience than the last bag was. Seriously, it really, truly is. Yeah, they're done. They're not chewy like they were last time. Seriously, they're really, really not. The gravy doesn't look greasy and runny like it did last. All right, guys. I don't know, here. There's our 4th. A mix of the 2. All right, it's a lot different than last time. It really is. It's good. It is a lot better than the last pack I made. I know I'm saying that a lot. I'm in actual awe that I let it sit for the same 10 minutes. Oop, I just sprayed a little. Sorry. I let it sit for the same 10 minutes like I did last time. The only thing I did differently this time was grab those biscuits and really break them down into bite-sized pieces. And that seemed to have made a world of difference. The sausage crumbles are better. The biscuits are better. The gravy is better. So, I'm sorry for that last review. That's the only way I can put it. Something was nagging me about it, and I wanted to revisit it, and I'm glad I did, because now I can easily say everything that I've tried by Peak is good. You know, they've got a huge success rate, which is really cool, Because who doesn't like having biscuits and gravy, in the morning or for lunch or for dinner? If you're a Southerner, biscuits and gravy and sweet tea go together. Well, I should just say tea, because anybody in the South who drinks unsweet tea, I think you're kind of hunted down, aren't you? But still. All right. Now, we're at the most important part of the video for me. Seriously, this is the part I love the most. I want to know your... Oh, my God. Questions, comments, love, hatred, anger. Brain fog today. All that fun stuff right down below. How do you feel about this little revisit thing? How do you feel about the results this time around? Now, granted, you can't taste it like I can, and you're having to go off of my word, and I'm telling you, break the biscuits down. You're going to have a vastly different experience. You really, really, truly are. But I really want to know, have you had success with Peak? Have you had failures with Peak? This very packet was featured in a recent battle box, so I know a lot more people got exposed to it, which really made me rethink to myself, how badly did I screw that last one up? Because I saw a lot of people going, this is good, this is good, this is good. So I'm glad I can revisit it. But if it made you laugh, made you cringe, made you cry, made you do any of that during this review, please hit that big old thumbs up. It's only going to show love and support for the channel, and that is always appreciated. But there we go, guys. My revisit to Peak's Biscuits and Sausage Gravy. Thank you so much for watching this one. I hope all of you are having a great day, a safe day, a non-cold day, and I hope to see all of you in our very next video.